Hi guys, how we doing? You'll never guess what, I have just spent the last hour and a half in my garden planting stuff, moving stuff, recording it all, and none of it happened. It did not record, so I have lost most of it. I did stop it and then record stuff which I'll show later on, but all I can do now is basically just tell you what I've done. There you'll see I've put my peas in, so that's peas, and over behind the washing there's sugar snap peas. I'm going to put, don't know if you can make it out there's another thing I need to put net in, and there's peas sitting there that's going to go in it. My potatoes are definitely were not dead. I've put in the sweet peas in the trellises there, and that is dwarf sweet peas. I don't know what she wants to do with them. The grass has been done, but a lot of it's dying. And basically that's all there is. I've now thinking to myself that I didn't have enough onions. I'm now got plenty of onions. Fruit trees are starting to leaf up. In my grow room, the primulas, like one there, one there. I don't know if you can see it, there it's there, you can see it now. So hopefully they'll still come up. I've got nothing in this one yet, and still 2 marigolds. I have done some new cherry tomatoes apart from that one. That one seemed to be okay, so I left that one not in. But I've done some new ones, and my Crimson Crush are coming on. The Alyssum, which is this here, is up, and the Lobelia has started to show its head. Poached eggs are still there, haven't done anything with them. And that's really it. What I'm going to do now is, I managed to sieve some compost, so I'm going to do some more cauliflower and broccoli in these wee pots. And as soon as they show their head, they're getting in the polytunnel. Low tunnel, sorry. This is some tomato feed that I made up that I'm going to feed the tomatoes with. And basically that's about it. Plus the bits of footage that I did manage to get. So I'll try and make up a wee video, get it all done, and I'll see you all in the next one, which will probably be Tuesday. Okay, see you soon. Okay, that's the seeds in, and what I've done is, because these seeds are coming up on 3 years old, I've put quite a lot in, and then I will pull out what I don't need. So the first thing I need is marker, it says turnip. Okay, that's that in, and then I'll just cover them up and hope for the best. Okay, I'm going to do the same with the cabbage on the other side, and I will get back to you when I am done. So, back here again, here's the grass that I've made, or I grew in this box. And what I've done is I've laid it down, and I've cut round the box, and that gives me my marker. And then I've cut along here at the edge of this slab, and I want to lift that whole bit out and put it down in there. So what I'm going to have to do now is dig this out, so that there'll be room for the new grass to go in. So I'll dig this out and then I'll put the new grass in, and when I come back, hopefully the new stuff should be in. Okay, see you soon. Well, that was a major fail. When I tried to lift it out of here, it come up in clumps rather than one big slab. So I've had to really patch the grass, but I mean there's grass there now, so it might work, I don't know. So there's a wee bit here I'm going to keep going, and I don't know why my grass is actually dying. I think his pee is killing the grass, so I'm probably wasting my time with this. But what's done is done. Hopefully that'll take and it'll start growing. Okay, see you soon.